And then the E stands for the 150 competencies that your employees need to have, 130 competencies employees need to have in order to successful product.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have David Fradin with us, and he's the founder of a Spice Catalyst, and he's based in Silicon Valley in the United States. So David, tell us, what are the 5 steps that entrepreneurs should be doing out there to make the first million?
Well, it's embodied as a mnemonic in the first word of my company's name, Spice, for Spice Catalyst. And the 5 things are, the S stands for having a product market strategy. And I advocate that entrepreneurs figure that out before they start funding any product or service development. The P stands for have repeatable processes. The C stands for having understanding the customer. The I, which comes before the C, is having the information necessary in order to make informed decisions. And in terms of understanding the customer, go to the basics of understanding what it is that your customer wants to do, why they want to do it, when they want to do it, where they want to do it, how they want to do it, what's standing in their way, and how important is it for them to get it done, and how satisfied are they with the current way of getting it done. And then the E stands for the 150 competencies that your employees need to have, 130 competencies employees need to have in order to successful product.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.